Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Callas Multipurpose Foldable Laptop Table. This is a very basic box set. There is only one info here. It says that this laptop table is made in India. Let's open it and see what's inside. This laptop table comes with a lot of features. First off, you can see the cup holder. There's a grip on one side to carry the table around. There's also a dock for tablets. Let's take a quick look underneath. This table comes with two foldable metal legs that have anti-slip rubber grips on them. There is also a drawer. This is a great addition. You will be able to put your stationery or even your smartphone here. The laptop table by Callas is 60 centimeters long. It will be able to hold a 17-inch laptop quite comfortably. That is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.